To our new passengers, aloha and welcome aboard. For those of you standing, please hold on to the handrails throughout our journey and stay clear of the doors. For the comfort of others, no smoking, please. Our next stop is Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa. To our left-hand side are Disney's Palm and Disney's Magnolia golf courses at the Shades of Green Resort. Coming up on the lagoon side is Disney's Wedding Pavilion. Couples may exchange vows in a fairy tale setting, complete with a picturesque backdrop of Cinderella Castle. We are now stopping at Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa, a Victorian-style hotel offering the modern conveniences of a full-service spa and health club. Ladies and gentlemen, please hold on to the handrails and stay clear of the doors until the monorail stops completely. This is Disney's Grand... Ladies and gentlemen, please gather your personal belongings. Watch your head and step as you exit, and take small children by the hand. If there are guests waiting to board your car, please move across to make room for everyone. For those of you standing, please hold on to the handrails and stay clear of the doors. They will be closing in a moment. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, please continue to move across your car to make room for everyone and kindly offer available seating to those needing special assistance. If you're standing, please hold on to the handrails and stay clear of the doors. The monorail will depart momentarily. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Monorail Orange. Our next stop is going to be the Magic Kingdom. If you're standing, please continue to hold on to the silver handrails, and please do not lean on the doors. Thank you.
To those guests who just joined us, welcome. Our next stop is the Magic Kingdom. For those of you standing, please hold on to the handrails throughout our journey and stay clear of the doors. For the comfort of others, no smoking, please. Ladies and gentlemen, please watch your head and step as you exit, and take small children by the hand. If there are guests waiting to board your car, please move across to make room for everyone. Once again, if you are traveling to Epcot, please remain on board. You'll need to change monorails at the transportation and ticket center. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our final boarding call, and the doors will be closing soon. Please board safely. Our monorail will be departing momentarily. Thank you. Please stand clear of the doors. Por favor, manténganse alejado de las puertas.
Good. Next stop is Monorail. For those of you standing, please hang up to the handrails and you now see the doors. Thank you and have a nice day.
Oh, like a safe one.
To our new passengers, we welcome you aboard our Highway in the Sky and hope you enjoy the Magic Kingdom. We are traveling to Disney's Contemporary Resort. During our travel, please hold on to the handrails and stay clear of the doors. For the comfort of others, no smoking, please. Thank you. Tower at Disney's Contemporary Resort, a part of Disney Vacation Club. This is Disney's Contemporary Resort. If you're exiting, please gather your belongings, watch your head and step, and take small children by the hand. If there are guests waiting to board, please move across your car to make room for everyone, and kindly offer available seating. Those needing special assistance, if you're standing, please hold on to the handrails and stay clear of the doors. They will be closing in a moment. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, as you board, please continue moving across your car to make room for everyone, and kindly offer available seating to those needing special assistance. If you are standing, please hold on to the handrails and stay clear of the doors. The monorail will depart momentarily. Thank you.
Let her be controlled. Can't control her.
Please stand clear of the doors. Por favor, manténganse alejado de las puertas.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome aboard Monorail Black. Our next stop is Transportation Ticket Center. For those of you standing, please hang on to the handrails and do not lean against the doors. Thank you and have a magical day. Also, I would like to remind everybody that the Magic Kingdom is 4 stops from the Contemporary. For those of you heading there, please stay on board. Do not get off at the Transportation Center. Thank you and have a magical day.
Please hold on to the handrails throughout our journey and stay clear of the doors. For the comfort of others, no smoking, please. Our next stop will be the Transportation and Ticket Center, which includes Magic Kingdom car and bus parking. To the right is Disney-created 7-Seat Lagoon. To the left is Bay Lake. Nestled on the shores of Bay Lake are Disney's Fort Wilderness Resort and Campground and Disney's Wilderness Lodge, home to Copper Creek Villas and Cabins, one of the newest additions to the Disney Vacation Club. This idyllic retreat features deluxe waterfront villas and cabins that combine the wonders of the great wilderness with the modern comforts of home. Ladies and gentlemen, please gather your belongings. Watch your head and step as you exit, and take small children by the hand. Once again, if you're traveling to Epcot or Magic Kingdom car and bus parking, please exit here. If you need additional assistance, a post or poster